Welcome to Melissa Witherell channel. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please send us your questions through comment box or WhatsApp number. Visit our website for more horoscope updates, link is given on video description. Thanks for watching my videos. Kanya Rashifal 2020 overview. Based on the Kanya Rashifal 2020 predictions, this year you will experience lots of happiness and peace of mind in your life. There is no room for sorrow or worrying for Kanya Rashi natives the whole of this year. There is a possibility that the occurrences of this year will stay for long before something else comes. Your planetary powers are aligned in the right manner to bless you abundantly. Change will come in your life this year whether you like it or not. Change is constant and it's something that we cannot avoid in totality. Embrace change and make the best out of it. Be the best you can be when time and opportunity allows you to. 2020 Career Predictions. The Rashifal 2020 reveals that this year your career will be on the right track. You will be able to achieve all your goals and objectives. You will achieve all that you have wanted to achieve for a long time as regards your career. There is a possibility that will be promoted at the workplace, and your salary increased. The people who have seen you grow will be proud of you. You will have to take your achievements to heart and learn how to accept success. Do not neglect the people who have been with you from the very beginning of your career path. Consider including your family in all the achievements that you accomplish. Your family has been with you in times when you were struggling until now that good things are coming your way in 2020. Kanya Rashifal 2020 forecasts for health. Kanya Rashifal health this year will be awesome save for some minor illnesses here and there. It is upon you to ensure that you are physically, emotionally and mentally healthy. You have to check what get into your body to avoid serious illnesses. Make it a point of visiting the doctor now and then for a wholesome checkup. The moment your brain is in the right order, then the whole body will function properly. 2020 Kanya Rashifal Finance Horoscope. Kanya Rashifal astrology reveals that this year in 2020 your finances will be in abundance. You are doing well in the workplace. Hence, you are subject to bonuses and salary increment. Your spouse will also work hard to ensure that money flows without fail in your family. Finances will also come from some of your family members and friends. When money is present, then almost everything runs smoothly. Ensure you get a financial advisor who will guide you in how to invest in long-term businesses that will benefit you in the future. Donate to charity when you can because you will have a constant flow of finances. Family and love. 2020 Kanya Rashifal. Your love life this year will not run smoothly as in the past years, especially during the Mercury retrograde 2020. You will have disputes all the time with your partner or spouse. It is upon you to give each other space and time to bring back the love that once existed. As per the Kanya Rashifal 2020 predictions, married couples will have to consult marriage counselors to ensure that their marriages do not go down the drain. However, as the year progresses, the planet Venus will have an impact on your love life and things will improve. Family matters and children will not be a priority for you this year. Your family may feel neglected, but you are still working on your career. The progress of your career will determine the condition of your family both financially and emotionally. Kanya Rashifal 2020 travel forecast. In 2020, Kanya, you will travel a lot for work purposes. You will travel to meet new people who will enable you to advance in your career. New investments will be forged with the people you meet in other countries. Your hard work will allow you to form connections with people you never thought would ever have an interest in you. Traveling will expose you to new places and new opportunities to build yourself. Conclusion. The Kanya Rashifal predictions for 2020 show that this year will be one full of success and prosperity. Grasp everything that comes to you with both hands because good things are coming your way.